So what is going on, everyone? Herman Abbas with you here. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm showing you how to fix or how to stop Windows 10 automatic updates. So this is how you're going to go about it. Just come to the start menu here and type in the word services. You don't need to finish it. Just come to open as administrator. You can just open as administrator. I find it more I find it better to open in as administrator. Okay, it comes. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look for the background intelligent transfer service. Just double click on it, and what you're going to do, okay, most of the settings I've already set them and they are off. So what you're going to do is you put it to manual and you press the stop button. If that way you're telling those the background intelligence services, the AIs of Windows 10 to stop doing whatever they're doing in the background. It's part of the updating services. So it shows you here it stopped. So what you do is you stop here and you press apply. After pressing apply, just simply press OK. So the next thing, you're going to look for Windows updates. Come and scroll down. If you're looking for it hard, you just come and press W. It takes you to the W options where we can find the Windows update. Here it is. Double click and come to it. Just press manual and stop and apply. After applying, just press OK. So the next time you're going to restart your Windows, it's going to be OK. There are times where you're going to press stop and it does not stop. But after I restarted my computer, I found that it stopped. So that's the first step. And let's go to the next step. That way you've disabled the Windows updates from bringing in their automatic updates without your knowledge. You will update when you get a free Wi-Fi that can update without eating your monthly data bundle. So let us go to the second option. Come here and press Windows key plus arrow, and it will bring you the run. Or what you do is you just go to your start menu here and type in the word run. Okay, it will bring it here. Just open it. The word you're going to type in is going to be reg edit. Press enter. Press OK. Oh, I pressed no. Press OK. Press enter. Okay, it's going to bring you something that will look like this. Just follow me. Okay, you go to HKey local machine and go down to software and scroll down and look for Microsoft. Go down and let's okay, what were we looking for here? So you look for Windows NT. You look for Windows NT. Just press the arrow key and it gives you current version. Still press the drop down menu. It will bring you a very long list. So I think we're going to be looking for network list here. Okay, we are going to look for, we're done with Windows NT and let's look for the network list. Yeah, there it is. Okay, you come to this arrow, we'll drop down the menu and you come to default media costs, and here we go. So according to the settings in Windows, there are metered connections and non-metered connections. Metered connections are those that don't allow automatic updates to pass through. But now it shows you that if you put in a USB modem of 3G or 4G, the 2 stands for metered connection. If it reads your modem and it realizes that you're using a SIM card, it's not going to take away your it's not going to allow to auto update. So we have the default here. So if you come and double click, let me come here, double click and try 2 means that it's metered and 1 means that it's not metered. So So it means that the default, the Ethernet, the Wi-Fi can download Windows updates anytime. So double click, you come, and if you try changing it to 2, it will not. It tells you cannot edit Ethernet, error rating, values, whatever. So the first thing you're going to do here, just come here to default media cost, right click, come to permissions. Sorry about that. When you come to permissions, you actually come to advanced here. Just come to advanced. Change from trusted installer. Come down here, just type in the word administrators. Is it correct? Okay, you come here, check the names. It brings you that. Just press OK. So what you do is you replace owners, subcontainers to objects, and come here to apply. Press OK. So here you're going to look for the word administrators. Come there. You press the full control, allow, and then apply. So before you do all this and you try applying full control, it will not go through. It will not allow you to select this. Apply and press OK. So we have full control for editing this. So first of all, we're going to go for the defaults. So the default means that whatever connection that comes in, for example, if you use your phone to if you tether through a USB, that is going to show it as an Ethernet, it's going to automatically think that you're using an Ethernet. So the internet will just if any update is coming in, then your data bundles will be used up. So just come here, just press 2 to make it a metered connection. Press OK. Now you can see it's changing. Come to Ethernet, double click, do the same thing, press 2, and yes, Wi-Fi, press 2, and there you go. You fix your automatic updates. You're not going to be able to have problems of Wi-Fi, of your maybe hotspotting to your computer, and it starts downloading everything without your notice. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section down below. I appreciate you subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.